Alignment on goals and values. Recruit people who share your goals and vision for the startup. Look for someone aligned with your long-term objectives, current strategy, and company vision. This alignment is crucial to success because there are many other problems that can derail a company. The odds of your success go way up when you and your co-founders are on the same page. Your long-term goals might be to create as large an exit as possible as quickly as possible, to build an enduring firm that could outlive you, try something and see where it takes you. These are all valid approaches, but it's better if you're both on the same page. Your near-term goals might be to create a profitable, intimate firm that places technology or product excellence as the high-order goal, to grow and scale large enough to solve an important problem for your customers, or create a viable business that provides a base camp to do further market exploration. 2 examples of founder goals. Entrepreneurs with a scientific or technical background often want to build an enduring firm focused on technical excellence. When I worked as an engineering manager, I purchased software from a niche supplier that remains private, profitable, and debt-free today. When I recently caught up with one of the founders, he shared that they started the firm to be masters of our own destiny and work on interesting stuff. Their early goals were to make enough money to cover mortgages and live reasonably comfortable lives. They added employees one at a time and grew slowly but surely. Their goals are not high growth, but rather a good profit margin into their customers' hands for fast feedback and fine-tuning, enabling their products to provide world-class capabilities. We work with a company in the life sciences whose team focus on scaling up to solve more significant problems than a small firm can tackle. They have a go big or go home mindset. In the early days, they found ways to collaborate with much larger partners and leverage grants. They have assembled a team of diverse experts who are able to create state-of-the-art systems for healthcare diagnostics.